Barbie Figueroa from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm super excited because in the last 90 days, I've earned $2,800 with Builderall.
Hey, Gene Hank is here with my daughter Emily, and we're from New York City, and we're excited because within a couple of months we've been able to earn over $5,000, and all thanks to Builderall. I'll see you guys. Peace.
My name's Liam, I'm from Manchester in England, and I've made over $25,000 with Builderall.
Hi from Italy, my name is Salvatore. I am so excited because in the last 5 months I have earned more than $9,000.
Hey guys, Vinny here with partnerwithvinny.com, and I'm very excited for Builderall. I made over $263.70 in 48 hours using the Builderall platform.
Hi, I'm Lucille Bevillies from the Netherlands, and I'm super excited because in the past 4 months I made $4,000 with Builderall.